put some holes in the bottom, then the water will drain out. Now we can fill this up with potting soil. Now I have filled this up with potting soil. I'm going to plant some flowering plants. Plants give us oxygen. To protect our earth, we should plant more. I request everyone to grow plants in your house and surroundings. So friends, remember this: reduce, reuse and recycle. So let's hold our hands together to save our planet Earth from plastic. Bye!